What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I got a message from a Jason Green who watched my video and thought it would be cool just to see a straight point of view of what this drive was like. So here is a straight point of view drive through the countryside in the 911 GTS. Guys, this drive was so much fun, and I also had to take it easy on some of the straights because I know that there are deer out here and they could jump out at any time, so I had to be careful about that. But it was still a lot of fun early in the morning to take this drive. The Porsche 911 is fantastic on twisty turns like this. The torque vectoring really makes the turn in really sharp, so what an enjoyable drive. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know down in the comments below. Please hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Safe driving.